Your skin works hard. Not only is it the largest organ in the body, but it regulates your temperature and defends against. Laughing is good for the heart and can increase blood flow by 20%. Always look on the bright side. Being an optimist can help you live longer. Maintaining good relationships with your friends and family reduces harmful levels of stress and boosts your immune system. Smelling rosemary may increase alertness and improve memory, so catch a whiff before a test or important meeting. Chewing gum makes you more alert, relieves stress and reduces anxiety levels. Exercise will give you more energy, even when you're tired. The lack of exercise now causes as many deaths as smoking.
Sitting and sleeping are great in moderation, but too much can increase your chances of an early death.
Walking outside or spending time in green space can reduce negative thoughts and boost self-esteem.